Hello, I'm Chinthani and I'm a software engineer at Medisoft. So while I was completing my final year of my degree, I joined the direct entry program of IJSC. So my objective was to gain hands-on experience and exposure to industry standard software development. So by joining the DEP, I could actually get that exposure. So actually joining the DEP was a turning point in my life because I actually got the idea that I have the potential and the capability to be a software engineer. So I wouldn't hesitate to recommend the direct entry program of IJSC to anyone who's looking forward to make a step in the software engineering industry. Thank you.